Hello, everyone! Welcome, my dear little friends. Today, I want to talk about my daily motivation. Let's have fun and learn together. Every new day is a small gift. When I wake up in the morning, I take a deep breath. I tell myself, today is a new day. I smile and try to feel calm. Every day, I try to stay positive. This is not always easy. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel sad or confused. But I remind myself that feeling bad is normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Children and adults, too. When I wake up, I say to myself, I can do this. These small words are very powerful. They help my mind feel strong. They help my heart feel calm. Life is not always easy. Some days are hard. Some days things do not go as planned. But even when life feels hard, I do not give up. I tell myself, this is just one day. Tomorrow can be better. I believe that small steps are important. I do not need to be perfect. I just need to try. I take one small step forward every day. One good action, one kind word, one new thing learned. Sometimes I make mistakes, and that is okay. Mistakes help us learn. When I make a mistake, I do not stop. I look at it and say, what can I learn from this? Then I try again. I believe in myself. I believe that I can grow. I believe that I can learn new things. Dreams are not only for adults. Dreams are for children, too. Big dreams start with small actions. My daily motivation comes from inside me. It comes from hope. It comes from trying again. It comes from believing that tomorrow can be better than today. When I feel weak, I remember my goal. When I feel scared, I remember my dreams. When I feel tired, I take a break and then continue. This simple feeling gives me strength every day. It helps me move forward. It helps me stay kind. It helps me stay calm and focused. And you can do this too. You are stronger than you think. You are learning every day. You are growing step by step. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again.